Hello students, this is Sweetal teacher. Today we will learn and understand a new lesson, lesson number 4, Directions and Maps in Environmental Studies for Standard 3. In this lesson we will learn the 4 main directions, the use of the directions given on a map, the index in a map, and introduction to our district, state and country using maps. Let us understand the lesson. Try this. Stand in 2 equal rows in the classroom facing each other. Number 1. On which side of you is the blackboard? Number 2. On which side of you is the main door of the classroom? Number 3. On which side of you is the teacher's table? Your answers and the answers of the girl or boy in front of you are different, aren't they? Why is it so? Let us see. If the blackboard is to your right, it will be to the left of the girl or boy standing in front of you. If the blackboard is behind you, it will be in front of the girl or boy facing you. In the same way, your answers about the main door and the teacher's table will also be different from those of the girl or boy facing you. It is difficult to make out the location of an object based on answers like on the right, on the left, in front of, and behind. Therefore, in order to tell exactly where an object is located, we use directions. Let us try this. Now we will use directions to find the answers to the same questions. With my help, write the names of the 4 main directions on the walls of our classroom. Now, let's stand facing each other once again. Tell each other the direction in which the blackboard, main door, and the teacher's table are located. Now, your answers and the answers of the girl or boy facing you will be the same. Directions can be used to tell exactly where an object is located. Let us learn how to find the directions. The 4 main directions are east, west, north and south. How do we find them? Let us see now. The direction in which the sun rises is the east. The direction in which the sun sets is the west. East and west are opposite to each other. If we stand facing east, the west is behind us. At that time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. Let us try this activity in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand directions better. Frame this. A large frame is given below. Your house is at the center of the frame. The frame has a yellow strip on each of its 4 sides for writing the directions. On which side of your house does the sun rise? That side is the east. In the yellow strip on the side of the house where the sun rises, write east. In the strip on the side opposite to the east, write west. North and south will be written in the remaining 2 strips. Think carefully where they would be and write down the words in the proper strips. In the frame, show the following things near your house in the right places. Number 1. Neighboring houses. Number 2. One shop near your house. Number 3. One tree. Number 4. The road nearby. Number 5. The bus stop nearby. Now see what your neighborhood looks like. Number 1. The sun rises and sets every day. That is why the sun is used to determine the directions. Number 2. The magnetic needle in a compass always lies in the north-south direction. What's the solution? Sai and Abhay have been asked to solve this problem. Can you help them? A. In this picture, the east is marked. Use that to write the other 3 directions in the yellow boxes. Now, on the opposite of the east, we have west. On the right hand side, we will have north, while on the left hand side of the east is the south. B. Which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? Answer. We will travel in each direction if you want to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop. C. Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which direction must he walk? Answer. In order to go to the ice cream shop, Amir must walk to the west direction. D. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? Answer. Sarah must go to the north direction. Use of directions in maps. In a map, directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. The directions on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading the map. That is, the map must be aligned with the directions on the ground. For example, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surroundings. By doing this, you can tell at once the directions of the places shown on a map. Use this method while reading the maps in your textbook too. Use your brain power. Number 1. Stand facing the rising sun. In which direction is your right ear? And in which direction is your left ear? Answer. If I be standing facing the rising sun, my right ear is in the south direction and left ear is in the north direction. Number 2. In which direction will a shadow fall at sunset? Answer. At the sunset, the shadow would fall in the east direction. District, state and country. India is my country. We have been reading this sentence in the pledge ever since standard 1. You must have read the words state, nation and world. In this textbook too, you will find the words earth, world, country, state, district, taluka and village in many places. Come, let us get to know district, state, country, the earth and world. We live in a house. Our houses are built on land. This land is spread very far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continents, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra. Our country, India, is made up of many such states. Maps of your district, Maharashtra state, India, and the world have been given in this lesson. Complete the activities based on the maps. The index in a map, symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of these symbols, etc., is given along with the map. This list is called the index. Make friends with maps. Several villages, settlements, and cities like our own together form a taluka. A district is composed of several talukas. A map of our district is given below. The map shows the talukas and their headquarters. An index is also given. It will help us understand the map. Let us read the map using the index and the directions. Now students, look here. A map of our Maharashtra state is given. The different districts are shown in it. The map also shows that Mumbai is the capital of our state and Nagpur is the second capital. A map of our country is given below. The capital, New Delhi, is also shown on the map. Find our Maharashtra state on the map of our country and color it. A map of the world is given below. Land, that is continents, is shown in white and water, that is oceans, is shown in blue. This special map has been created so that all the land and the water on earth can be seen at a glance. In the map of the world given above, color the part labeled India. Color the box next to the map in the same color and write India on the dotted line. This is our country, India. Let us see what we have learned today. The four main directions. The use of the directions given on a map. An introduction to our district, state, and country using maps. Students, I hope you enjoyed today's class and understood the topic. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.